Hey, Snowflash here. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's review, we're going to be trying another True Fruit, and this one's Nature's Raspberries. Of course, it has white and dark chocolate. Here's how it looks. All right, this one has 290 calories, total fat 18 grams, cholesterol 5 milligrams, sodium 20 milligrams, total carbohydrates 36 grams, sugars 4 grams. No, that's protein 4 grams. Total sugars is 30 grams. Third, vitamin D, 1.1 micrograms, 60 milligrams of calcium, 3.5 milligrams of iron, and 200 milligrams of potassium. Also, it has an opening here or here. So, probably here because it's easier. Boom. Raspberries is one of my favorite berries. Even this one has a good size to it. Right there. Wow, that's awesome. All the flavor packs a punch together. Oh, that's really good. Is this organic? Dang, that's probably a lot. I like this one. This one will be a 9.5 out of 10. I really like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.